everyone, this is Konkona and welcome back to my channel Style Travel and More. So I hope you all are doing good and you are taking good care of yourself. So today I'm back with another review and today I'll be reviewing this product from Palmer's and it's called Coconut Oil Formula Coconut Water Hydrating Facial Mask. So let's get started with the review. So this is how Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Coconut Water Hydrating Facial Mask looks. So as you can see, it has a unique cap, and in order to access the product, I need not remove the cap. I just need to twist it and access it. And also this product has very warm, fresh and soothing coconut aroma. So I'll just show you how it appears. I'll just twist it and take it, and as you can see, it exactly looks similar to cream and it has pretty thick consistency. So I'll just take it and apply it on my hand and show it to you. So hope you can see it. So as you can see, it looks kind of whitish now. However, as it dries, it starts to become transparent. So I'll just allow it to dry and come back and show you. So it is almost dried now, and as you can see, all this part has already become transparent. So if you can see this. One thing I wanted to mention, initially when I started using this product, even though I did not squish the tube, the product used to come out automatically. However, after using it twice or thrice, it stopped. I'm just mentioning this because if something like this happens to you, don't get scared. So now I'll tell you how I use this product. So currently I'm using this product once a week and I use it on face as well as neck. So I use it after cleansing and toning, essentially on clean dry skin. And after applying, I keep it around for 15 to 20 minutes until it is dried. After that, I rinse it off with warm water. Please note, according to the instruction mentioned on the product, it can also be massaged into skin. However, I prefer to rinse it off with warm water. So after rinsing off this product, I continue with rest of my skincare. So now I'll tell you my experience of using this product. As you have seen earlier, the consistency of this product is pretty thick and the texture of this product is smooth. The good thing is, though the consistency of this product is thick, however, it does not feel heavy or sticky on my skin. Now immediately after application, sometimes I feel little bit of tingling feeling on my skin, especially around my chin area. However, I do not consider it something to be scared of because I never develop any rashes after using this product. Also, when I apply this product, I get a kind of soothing, cool feeling on my face and neck. Just to mention, my skin is neither too dry nor too oily. And after I use this product, my skin feels hydrated and also it feels really soft and smooth to touch. So this product is easy to apply and can be rinsed off easily without making any mess. So overall, I absolutely love to use this product and I love the way it treats my skin. One more comment before I close this video. Please make sure your skin is dry before you apply this product, because if your skin is wet, this product will not get applied correctly. So yes, there is a quick review of this Coconut Oil Formula Coconut Water Hydrating Facial Mask from Palmer's. If you want to read about this product, please go to my website styletravelandmore.com. I have mentioned the website link in the description section, and if you found this video useful, please do subscribe this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.